Welcome to our video where we tackle a common problem that many people face when working with OCR technology. The issue at hand involves trying to read text that is rotated 90 degrees, which can throw off the accuracy of the OCR results. To address this problem, one popular approach is to draw a region of interest, ROI, around the text and rotate it back to its original orientation before running the OCR. This helps ensure that the text is correctly interpreted, but it also introduces a challenge when it comes to drawing bounding rectangles around the text on the original image. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. By carefully adjusting the coordinates of the bounding rectangles based on the rotation applied to the image, we can ensure that the rectangles are correctly positioned on the original image. The key lies in swapping the X and Y coordinates of the original rectangles and then making further adjustments to account for the rotation. By applying the transformations outlined in the code snippet provided, we can successfully draw the bounding rectangles at the right locations on the image. This solution allows us to visualize the results of the OCR process and verify the accuracy of the text extraction. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to a common problem encountered when working with rotated text in OCR applications. By adjusting the coordinates of the bounding rectangles based on the rotation of the image, we can accurately draw the rectangles on the original image and visualize the processed text. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Like this video if you found it useful, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Remember, accuracy is key when it comes to OCR, both in reading text and drawing those bounding rectangles.